Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we are talking about these sunglasses that I have here. These are the Ray-Ban Wayfarer foldable classic sunglasses. These are a polarized version. You can get them polarized or not polarized, but these are one of my favorite sunglasses, but now they are second place to another pair, which we'll talk about in another video. But this, I would just want to show you exactly how it is, how it differs from, I guess, a traditional, like this is red, but still, this is like a non-foldable version of it. But let's just see how this is. Prices so far for the polarized one, I'm looking here on the website, $213 for the polarized, and without that, yeah, $163 without polarization. You may think that that kind of price for sunglasses is a little bit high. It's been very durable. It's doing exactly what I need it to. I have never felt like I'm close to breaking this. I'm just very happy with this pair. This pair in particular I've had for a couple years, and I've seemed to have misplaced the small little case that it comes in. So whenever I'm moving this around, I'm folding it and I'm putting it kind of like where the mic is right here. That's where these usually go. But let me show you. So first, you fold them in on the side, and they're very easy. They don't stick there, but because these are on the side of your head, they can be loose. Like, they don't need to be super, super stiff. And then you fold this in here, and then lastly, this folds in just like this. So if you have the little case of where this goes, it's kind of like a faux leather case, you just slide it in there, it's perfect like this. I would say if you have a pocket on your shirt, you can put it there. This one does not have a pocket, so I can't really put it there. So actually how I usually put these on my shirt is kind of folding them like a traditional sunglass. Kind of fold them right here, or you can fold them perfectly flat and have them as like a little clip like this. But if you think about that, you will be getting one of the lenses kind of like oily and skinned up. Just if you have a cleaning cloth, you can just clean that off, you should be fine. But that's just kind of how this is in comparison to what a traditional Wayfarer would be, where it's just literally fold. You only have this one option, shove it in there, or in a traditional case. The traditional ones are a little bit cheaper. I don't have that price in front of me, but these ones just have been exactly what I've needed. And having a polarized lens, I think, just works out really well too. And you can always tell it has the Ray-Ban logo, and there's a little P if it's polarized here. But yeah, these are just like the classic ones. And if you're wondering if you can see any creases or, you know, where the folds are, can you see anything here? That's not a question for or against. I'm just wondering if you can literally see anything, because the seam is right here. And the seam is right here. Of course, there's always a seam here because that's just what sunglasses are. But then, do you see the seam here? Looking in the reflection, I can't even see that seam. It's literally right there. But it's like that reflection kind of follows right through. You know, sometimes if it was just like a broken seam, let's see here. Because if it was like this, then you could see the break, you could see the glossiness kind of broken up. But I think it does a good job at hiding a lot of these seams. It just looks traditional, but it's just another foldable way of having these glasses just be a little bit more compact. It's something that I've been wearing for about 2 years. I recommend it. But if it didn't fold all the way flat, it's not something that I would really be losing a lot of. This one here, see, just goes like that. Fold flat, that's it, end of story. But alright guys, if you have any comments or questions, again, the polarized ones goes for $213. The non-polarized ones, they go for $163, currently in 2023. But yeah, put everything in the comment section below. Don't forget I'm on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.